Tech Tricks.
Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Tricks. This is Ricky, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you an easy method of creating bootable pen drive using Rufus tool. Let me plug in a 16 GB pen drive first. So here it is labeled as new volume H, as you can see. Now I'm gonna quickly copy the Rufus tool which I have already downloaded and have dropped down the link in the description as well. Now just run the Rufus tool and here you can see it has automatically detected the volume H, and in the next step we have to select the ISO file, the image file, and I'm gonna select Windows 10. You can use any of the Windows like Windows 10, 8 or 7, or you can use server editions as per your requirement. So I have selected the Windows 10 and I'm here selecting the partition style as GPT, which is default, and in the next step I'm just renaming the pen drive as Win 10 latest as I'm installing the Windows 10. And now I'm just gonna give a click on start, and here's a pop-up. Give a click on OK and proceed. Now it will gonna take around 10 minutes depending on the configuration of your system. I have skipped the waiting part as I don't want to waste your precious time. I'm gonna give some useful notes on using this bootable device. Like number 1, try using a 16 GB of pen drive. 8 GB can also do the job, but I'll recommend the 16 GB one. And number 2, the partition scheme which I've selected GPT may vary depending upon the hard drive partition style installed in the machine. If anyone faces any error at disk management part, you can try the process using MBR partition style. Any one of them will definitely going to work with your particular system. Number 3, there are different types of motherboards in different types of computers and laptops, and their shortcut to boot menu are also different. I'll advise everyone to do a quick search in Google about how to enter boot menu with your laptop or computer's model number. It will show you result in a very less time. And number 4, if anyone watching this video have any difficulties while creating the bootable device or using it at the time of installation, you can comment below. I'll definitely give you the solution. So I guess we have to wait for a few moments till it gets completed. Once the copying is done, you will get a pop-up notification to disable secure boot on the computer which you are about to format with this bootable device. You just have to give a click on close, and do remember this while you're installing OS in the computer. You just have to give a click on close. Now I'll just quickly show you the bootable device is ready with all its installation files. Here you can see I have opened the pen drive and all the installation files are ready here. Now I'll just show if it's working with any computer or laptop or not. I'll plug this pen drive in the laptop and I'll turn it on to the boot menu page. Here you can see it's showing SanDisk drive. The second one, SanDisk. So it's done. And if the video was helpful, please do like it, and a sub to the channel would be amazing. Thank you.